Yo. Okay, the mic's on. Thank God. The mic's working, the sound's working. All day I've been trying to like sort the sound out because it was on YouTube and TikTok and then YouTube and then TikTok. And just couldn't get the sound right. This was a fake out down here. This little candle pushing up was just a little quick fake out. All right, who's with us right now? Who's trading live on the power hour right now? Everyone thought this was going to push up from here because it was in a fair value gap, but it's just like, I think it might fake a few people out at the moment. So yeah, who's with us right now? Who we got live right now? I don't know what's happening on the YouTube side right now, so I might not focus on the YouTube side too much. But if someone chats, the message will pop up, so yeah. Yes, Leroy. We got Leroy in the house. Yo, bro. Jaspri, I made $300 back and now I'm chilling. I made $595. Wicked, bro. Wicked. Jaspri, where are you from again? Leroy in the house. Yes, Leroy is in the house. Let's see what's happening right now. Look, this was definitely a fake out. Everyone was trying to like think that it was going to go into the fair value gap. There was a fair value gap on the 1 minute time, on the 5 minute time frame, and the 2 minute and the 3 minute. So yeah, but it was kind of faking out. Jaspreet's in California. Absolutely brilliant. What's the weather like in California right now? Is it hot, like real hot, how it is in the UK? We're all baking down here. Everyone's got ACs on right now. Sun Beats Beauty Spa. Sun Beats Beauty Spa. Seeing you this morning. How are you? You all right? You didn't actually tell us where you are located. You didn't tell us where your beauty spa is located. Merciful 24. Jaspri. I wouldn't say real hot. I'd say it's chilly because I'm in the Bay Area. Okay. Nice. What were you doing? Were you just trading the New York session, Jaspri? Leroy, did you manage to get some trades in today? I know you did. I know you took 2 sells earlier. We're in Botswana, man. Oh, wicked. But you know, honestly, I don't know where Botswana is. So what I'm going to do quickly, Google it. Where is Botswana? Where is Botswana? Southern Africa. Oh, wicked. Oh, wow. All right. We're getting people worldwide here now. California, Southern Africa, Botswana. Furkan Ahmed, where you from? Jaspreet, right now, I'm not going to lie, the market is kind of choppy. Yes, very, very choppy. Very choppy and very dangerous. It is the power hour, so it tends to manipulate quite a bit as well. Let me just log into... Tradeovate. Just bear with me one moment. Bring it onto this side so I don't give out the password. Finally, I got the sound working today. You know, I was like dreading it because the sound just kept playing up all day today. Burkhan from Leeds. Nice. From the UK. FX Roy Trader. You gotta go, man. We don't do signals unless I give the signal. What are you talking about, bro? Get the hell out of here. Blocked. Leroy, only 2 trades earlier. Take a 476 in the copy group. Good for the day. I know, absolutely brilliant for you, isn't it? How many copy trading accounts have you got now, Leroy? Absolutely smashing it, you are. All right, let's have a look. Let's do a bit of... Leroy's got 33 in total. Were you rotating the accounts, or did you take the copy trade on all 33 accounts, or have you like got 5 here, 5 there, 6 there, 7 there, like that? I can't believe it, man. My headspace is not right for 33 accounts right now, but it will be. I will be in a good headspace in the next couple of months. All right, we're gonna do some top-down analysis in a minute, guys. Leroy, damn, how much you make then? Like a month. Leroy makes people's year salary in just a month. He's an absolute beast. There's a few people like that. There's a few people like that. How many accounts you copy trading, Jaspri, or are you just doing the one account? We had a lady called Savannah, a nickname Bling. She just took out a nearly $10,000 payout yesterday. It dropped into her account this morning. I was so proud of her. $10,000. Yeah, guys, I've just put the Linktree Discord link in the bio, and it's in the bio, and it's in the chat, and it's on the description if you're on YouTube. Damn, man, I'm waiting for Asia session now to make another $300 to $400. Jaspreet's killing it, Leroy. But good mistake. Nice. Jaspreet, I'm only doing one right now. Okay. But if you're going to be making $300 to $400 to $500, $600, $700 daily, then you're going to be scaling up real fast. Leroy, now back to more groups. Nice. All right, let's have a look at what's happening here, because this movie everyone thought is going to push up from here, but that was definitely a fake out. Let's see what's happening right now. So if we go over to the 4-hour time frame, the chart's going to look a bit messy right now because everything's let's just remove the sessions tool for now. That's making it a little bit more messy. So that's gone. Okay, so only messy areas here, but these are just my Seth. Yo, how you doing, Seth? You all right? Leroy, 12k. Now back to more groups. Jaspreet, I average like $100 to $200 each trade, but it's like once I make $400 during Asia, the next day I'm just have $200 left to pass that eval. Okay, so how much are you risking to make $200, $300 a day? Seth just came from football training to gamble. Yeah, man. That's good. That's what you should be doing, bro. Should be fucking gambling. No. You shouldn't be gambling, not on trading. All right, guys. So listen, yeah, on the higher time frame, we are looking to break structure to the upside. So if we don't push, if it doesn't push right down now, then we are going to be changing character to the upside. Then we're looking for a nice retracement. Push up. All right, so let's go on to the 1-hour time frame. As you can see today, let's put the sessions back on so we know where we are. So we were here. London session just flew. Asian session just pushed up all the way. We had a retracement. This was the best trade to take today. The best trade. Seth, I hit 30k this month. I might invite you to Monaco to hit the roulette. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. If I make 30k next month or the month after, let's say not September. No, daddy, no casino. No, I'm not gonna do no casinos. I'll take you though. I'll drop you off and then I'll come back. I'll drive you down and then I'll come back. Yeah, what I'll do, yeah, if I make 30k in November, I'll take you to Monaco, Seth. But the 30k has to be made from trading. Yeah, so this retracement here today was the best trade to take to push up. Then this retracement was nice again to push to the upside. So that's on the 1-hour time frame, but we'll break it down on what it looks like when we go lower. So let's go to the 30-minute. You just see it. It's just easy. Nice market structure. Look, push up, retracement down, pushed up, just chopped around. That was yesterday after New York session. Just chopped around. Asian session open, pushed up, retraced, and then pushed up. Kept pushing up through pre-market into London session, and then we had the retracement. On the 30-minute, it didn't look like that retracement was anything, but on the 15-minute time frame, that was absolute banger of a trade. On the 15-minute time frame, it left an imbalance. So Asian session finished with a big bullish run, and then price just pushed up through London session, and then early London session price retraced back down to that imbalance, and then price flew up. So that was a good trade to take. If you go, I will come for sure to beat you. That's from Leroy. Seth, we have a deal. Let's go, Seth. Leroy, never back to casino. Yeah, I don't think I will ever go back to the casino ever again. Leroy, stay in your trading room. Nice at home with good food. Tell me about it. Just stay in this little jail, boxed up jail. But yeah, seriously, man. I don't think I would ever. I wouldn't ever go back to the casino again, unless like it was like just a little joke time, a little bit of fun time with maybe some cousins or family and a couple of friends. But I would never put excessive amount into trade roulette ever again. I think I get the dopamine hits from trading now. I don't really need that kind of dopamine hit from anywhere else now. I get enough from trading. Who has an issue with dopamine hits, by the way? Who has a problem with dopamine hits? J Tan Nash. Tigro the goat. Leroy, me too, never. If I will go, I'll lose for sure. My wife will make it back. Trade me now. Yeah, man, seriously. So that was the best trade today, I reckon. This one by far, because when you drop down, so this area that I marked out here was when I dropped down to the lower time frame, to the 2-minute time frame, what we were talking about earlier on. So there was 2 trades that could have been taken. So if you closed out this one and you didn't catch, well, sorry. So if you closed out on this trade and then you wait for your next one, or if you missed this trade totally, then this next trade came in. But even then, the price action weren't the best there. But you could have caught this trade from here, this area here. But even then, price didn't retrace down enough. But you knew it was going to go up from there. We were just very bullish. I've really messed with the whole algorithm on TikTok and YouTube, you know. I've jumped from one time frame to another. So I've jumped from London session to pre-New York session to New York session, and now to the last hour of the day, the power hour. So I've just fully messed up with the algorithm on my channel. So I don't think the channel knows how to push my lives out neither, because they're saying this guy's just jumping on every single chance he gets. But yeah, right now I don't even know why they call the last hour the power hour, because I think it's only good for like scalpers really. It's not always you'll get a nice trade. You won't always get a good trade in the last hour. The price is chopping around in this area down here. There's a possible chance that if it reacts to this area, it may continue pushing up. There's a possibility. Let's just keep that there just in case then, because if it does, then we know that was an area of interest. But that's on the 2-minute time frame. Let's have a look at it on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, this is just a big massive imbalance. and this area here is like the order block, but price needs to retrace deeper right down till about here if we were going to have a big push to the upside through Asian session or pre-Asian session. Price needs to retrace a bit lower, I'd say. So guys, who's traded today? Who's winning today? Who's up today? Who's actually up today? And that's not by force trading, because remember guys, if you want to take a win, you can't just like force trade and revenge trade and oversize just to have a winning day, because then that's not counted as a win. So you should never be happy about trades that you win when you didn't follow your rules, but you should be happy about the trades that you followed the rules with. So even if you lost a trade and you followed your rules, you should be happy about that. But if you won and you didn't follow your rules, you shouldn't really be happy with your trading. Me bro, up for the day but still in drawdown on the account. That's good. That's GoEcTug54. GoEcTug54. Okay, cool. Yeah. What are you on a prop firm? Are you trading prop firms? Are you with a prop firm? Are you up on the prop firm, or is it an actual broker account or your personal broker account that you're trading? So look, this is the area where I was saying, so price has come into this area here because it looks like an order block on the 15-minute time frame. Let's have a look at what it is on the 30-minute time frame. See, look, this area here, you knew there is going to be some sort of reaction. Let's have a look on the 1-minute time frame now to see what is done. Thank you very much for following GoEcTug54. Thank you so much. But let's see, is price gonna keep chopping around in this area, or is it gonna push up, changing character to the upside, retrace down a little bit and then continue pushing up? That's what possibly can happen. Just followed. Thank you very much. Yeah bro, 50k funded prop firm. Wow, who you which prop firm are you with? GoEcTug, which prop firm are you with? And we got, oh bro, do you know any group on WhatsApp or Telegram that gives signals? I'm against signals because a lot of people are just fake. Leroy might be able to help you with the signal side of things. I'll be able to help you on some signal side of things, but it depends now. Are you looking for are you looking for signals that are directly for you to trade on your prop firms, or are you going to be trading with a personal broker? Because if you're trading with a personal broker, then I can probably help you on that side. But if you're going to be trading on prop firms, then I'm not quite sure. I don't really do signals myself. I very rarely ever have done a signal. I've looked at them, but I've never traded them. I don't really like the. I like to learn the trading side myself, and I think if people purchase signals, I think that's very bad as well. You shouldn't purchase signals. IQ Capital, it's new one, but they've had some good promos. GoEcTug. IQ Capital, I've never heard of them. Let's have a look. I've never heard of IQ Capital, you know. IQ Capital. Oh my god, it came up with something else. IQ Capital Trading. Prop Trading House. Wow. I've never heard of this one before. So it's reacting to that area that I marked out. I should have just put the trade on myself. Probably would have got some wins in right now. Is it this one? Gary Grant. All right, bro. How you doing, bro? Are you trading? Are you trading today? And what part of the world are you from? Because I've had people from California, Southern Africa, UK, Europe, all over the world. Hanabi 405, how did you get into trading? I got into trading because I was looking for that next dopamine hit after I was going to the casino and then I started trading. I'm not trading. I started gambling on casinos and roulette and stuff. And then I ended up getting some big wins from roulette. But then I didn't actually. Once I took out the money from roulette, I didn't actually want to go back into roulette again, because I knew that was a dark space, it's a bad place, and I will lose everything I've won. So then I gave it a good couple of years. It's only after that I got stuck in India in the lockdown, and then I got back after the airports and stuff had opened up again in COVID time. Then around about 2023, I got diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, and I was unable to work and walk and do physical jobs like I used to. And that's when it hit me hard, and I was like, do you know what? I might not be able to do something, but then there is something else out there. And that's when I looked at trading. I use this online company called eToro. I put in about £50 on a company called Ocugen. I think it was some gas or oil electric company, I don't know. And that flipped to $300 in a week. And I was like, and that's when that gave me the dopamine hit. And that's when I thought, you know what? I'm going to learn trading. And good that I learned it, but it's very bad because I lost so much money. I didn't know what I was doing. There was nothing structured on the internet for me. I bought a couple of courses and they were like scams. Yeah, so it was shit. So I lost up to about £80,000 in my first 6 months of trading. And then after a year, you can only just tell how bad it was getting. So it just got worse. And then I was learning for free online, doing the courses. But I kept getting that dopamine hit from putting money in, because obviously I was getting some wins, but the wins I would just put back into the market again. So when I got out of that when I got out of that psychology and emotional state of trading, and I started learning, and I learned market structure, and I learned how to trade properly, higher time frame analysis, top down analysis, the penny dropped and I got it. And I was like, do you know what? Yes, this is good. Gary Grant, snap, bro. I was diagnosed with primary progressive MS in 2013. Wow. Follow, drop me a message on here, bro. I'll chat to you. I'll see how you're getting on. We'll probably share some information, help each other. Yeah, it's mainly a German owned one, and I'm from Germany. Oh, wicked. That's absolutely brilliant. Go Ektug, what's your real name? I keep calling you Go Ektug54. Oakley 2005. Danny, I'm in a short right now. Ooh, I don't know, but it possibly can be. You possibly can be, because if you look at the 5-minute time frame right now, I'm not jumping in any trades right now. But the only problem here is we're on a massive bullish run. Price has come into this area here, which is a imbalance on the higher time frame, and it's reacted from that area and pushed up massively. But the only reason I wouldn't be going for a sell here is because there's no change of character or break or structure to the downside. But it can possibly work, because we might have just peaked the high for today. We don't know. Oakley, I'm in from 980. Let's have a look. 980. So you're in from down here. Ooh, so did you see all these like little tops forming, and then you thought, let me just take a short? Gary Grant, I'm good, bro. I try to do a lot of natural alternatives. Natural alternatives are the best, Gary Grant. Go at Tug, Leroy. Let's go, brother. Leroy, go at Tug. Gary Grant, I will message you. Yeah, definitely message me. Oakley, yes. Just call me Ganju, bro. Ganju. Go at Tug. Gary Grant, thank you very much for following, bro. So yeah, Oakley, so if you're in from 980, how much did you risk, brother? So if you entered here, then your stop loss probably would be, I don't know where your stop loss, because you use quite a lot of big size, don't you, from what I remember. Thank you, Gary Grant. Oakley, £1,000. A grand man. A grand man. Let's see if you can make your grand back. Price is chopping around and a bit shit at the moment. 20 minutes. The power hour is over. So you best be praying that price drops right now. But you should be in profits a little bit, shouldn't you? Yeah, you're in profits a little bit. Yeah, man, I had a tough day today. I'm definitely doing something wrong on YouTube because it's not pushing it out. The live is not getting pushed out on YouTube, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong on it, on the live side of things. Oh, it's annoying. We got a God bless you in the house. God bless you. Are you trading right now? Have any of you guys ever entered into a trade and then you start praying when it starts going against you, but then you don't like... Gary Grant is preparing for a buy. God bless you. Yeah. What are you trading? God bless you. What pair? What instrument? What symbol are you trading? God bless you on the MNQs. Yes, man. MNQs all the way. So yeah, this is the area I was saying. But had this broke down here, or maybe a bit lower there, then you could have said, okay, shorts are going to be in. But VWAP is at lower price. We might retrace first. Yeah, it could be. It could be. God bless you. Pray in some trades. Yeah, sorry. What was I saying? Have you guys ever entered a trade, yeah? And then when it starts going against you, you start praying like, oh my God, please go up. And you start doing this weird shit like... Paul Woodcock, you're on late. Is that gold? No, Paul Woodcock. This is MNQ still. MNQ, bro. Should we have a look at gold? Let's see what gold is doing. Ah, not nice price action. Just chopping sideways. Oh my God. New York session is actually been very well, been very shit. Very shit. One trade that you could have took and held was from here. The price retraced into this area and then just kept going up. But yeah, price action for gold was shit, so I wouldn't even be touching gold today. It was all about MNQ. MNQ was moving nice. I like the way MNQ was moving. But now prices started to slow down and die out. This needs to really do something from here. Then we can like figure out which way price is gonna go. Ahmed, yo. Paul Woodcock, look the same. Leroy, gold, fuck. Yeah, man. All about MNQ and ES today. Yeah, man. Tell me about it. It's all about MNQ and ES. Paul Woodcock, hit a nice sell zone. Gold did if you trend line the daily. Hold on a second. Let's have a look. To be fair, price action is not great. Let's have a look at the lower time frame. You'd be able to catch something on the 1 minutes and stuff, but even then, yeah, it's very choppy. It's not nice. And I'm not a trend line trader, so yeah, that price action for me is not good. Not good. I would definitely not taking a trade today on gold. Let's see if price pushes all the way up from here, or if we do get some sort of momentum. Paul Woodcock hit a nice sell zone. Gold did if you were trend line the daily. Yeah, man. I'm thinking sells on NAS. Coming from Ahmed. Yeah, you thinking sells on NAS? Yeah. I don't really like the idea of trading in in this time zone, like between 8 and 9 p.m. So this is 3 to 4 Eastern Standard Time. It's very choppy and unpredictable. Let's see what it's doing in this area here. Let's see if it's respecting it or if it's going to disrespect it. If it's going to disrespect it, Oakley, you're in the game. Yeah, I'm just glad the sound and everything's working and the mic's working today. Paul Woodcock says, have you been on Master Traders live? No, what do you mean Master Traders? Is that a person that goes on live? Or I know my shit, Danny, says Oakley. Yes, Oakley. Oakley's in the money right now. Let's have a look. 780. So yeah, you're in the money right now. But let's see what's happening. What's Master Traders live? Is that someone that trades live? Like, is that his name, Master Traders? I got hit break even and prices flying down again. Ahmed, oh no. You got to follow market structure, Ahmed. You only enter a trade when you see the perfect A+ entry. Otherwise, you don't take a trade. Oakley may start trimming. Okay. Paul Walcott, yeah, he's like you, but he trades live. He's hardcore. Okay, I'll check him out. What does he do there? Does he trade? Because I trade live as well, but I only trade when my entry comes. So within certain time periods, my entries might not be there. But is he a scalper? Does he take scalps? I definitely will check him out. Oakley saying rejected heavy. Yeah, but it can be just a fake out as well, so you just got to be careful. It's because of the time of the day. But let's have a look. So if we go to the 15-minute, if you can see on the 15-minute, price is rejected from up there. Seth, thank you very much, Seth. So price rejected from here on the 15-minute and closed like that. But it's this area here. Let's see what it's doing in this area down here. Wow, we've got quite a few people joining in. We got Revox, Ali, Left Unspoken, FB 2225, Diggy, Ahmed, Sunbeats Beauty Spa, Jamaican Rum Punch. I've seen you before. Gary Grant, Seth, Trading Futures, Day Trader. Wow. Flowers for my boss. Thank you very much, Seth. Paul Walcott, he made 50 grand on the other night scalping in the chop. Oh my god, that's mental. 50,000 scalping. Master, what's his name again? Master Traders live. Should we have a look? Let's have a look at Master Traders live. Let's see Master Trader. Boom, boom. Paul Woodcock, send me a message. Send me the message of him. I can't actually find it. I've got a few that are coming up, but I don't know if it's him. Would that be him? I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Would that be him? Master Trader? I don't know. I don't know if that's the right person. Yeah, it's not coming up for me. Send me the link. If you can DM me the link, that'll be good. Oh, I need to sort this algorithm problem out that I'm having with the lives. La 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 la. Razzus. You know what? I came on live so many times today. It's just like, it's drained me out. Absolutely drained me out. I came on live about 5 or 6 times today just because the sound wasn't working. So yeah, this is the area that I want to see what happens in this area. So where you got this blue line marked out. Let's go. Should we go against Oakley? Should we battle Oakley? Battle Oakley with a long position. Do that. Oakley, my price is coming for your price, Oakley. Leroy saying, I've seen you more than my wife. But it's all right though, because like when we're trading, we're all in that same field, so we're all like-minded. We don't mind the chat. So like we like talking about trading, but otherwise if we ain't here on the live just talking about trading, we'll be scrolling our phones looking at trading, or we'll be entering into trades where we shouldn't be entering into the trades. That was one good thing about live, you know that. You know, when I started getting a bit profitable and that, when I started coming on live, it was kind of a game changer, because it was like you can't make certain mistakes. You can't do like a lot of dumb shit that you would do when you're by yourself with just your phone in your hand and taking shitty trades. You can't do that when you're on live. That was the best thing about live. Do you know what? At one point we were getting like over hundreds of people every single day, hundreds of people joining us. I'm not sure what the fuck's happened to the algorithm or what's changed. I don't have a clue. Leroy says better trade and live, better trade and live with the fam than the BS about the kitchen. Tell me about it. Paul Wilcott sent you two. He is on later. Okay, Paul, I'll join. I'll jump on and I'll watch him. I'll jump on and I'll watch him later on. We've got about 20 minutes. 20 minutes for the power hour to end. Oakley, are you on a broker or are you on a prop firm? Yeah, Master Trader, he's saying. Says he trades live. What does he do? Is he going to be on the Asian session? Oh, wicked. Yeah, I will definitely check him out. If I see you on there, I'll drop you a message. I'll see you on the live. Oakley, how you feeling? My money's coming for your money. I'm trying. I just hope we don't have a rejection from anywhere here. I hope it just keeps pumping right now. We need a big break and close, like about here. Then I can say, okay. Yeah, Leroy, he said TikTok. Yeah, I'm not liking the rejection right now. Yeah, I want to check out as well. I want to see if that 50k he made was like real money. What does he do? Does he trade? prop firms. Was it a prop firm or was it his own personal capital? Dachi in the house. Diggy Leedy Karma. Come on, we need the price to push up. What the hell is going on? We need Oakley money right now. Oakley 205. We need to come for you, bro. So this needs to push all the way up. It might just reject and you might get the win. Let's see. I dropped another video on yesterday. Was it yesterday night or this morning? On the Discord. So guys, whilst this is playing out and hopefully Oakley makes his dough, let's just quickly have a look at the Discord, guys. Yeah, so I'll put some videos on. If it decides to, yeah, here it is. So yeah, if you go to the Technicals Bootcamp, the first video on there is order blocks. We put that on last week. And then this week we've got simple liquidity strategy. So yeah, you'll have on there what is liquidity, why liquidity sweeps happen, blah blah blah, all the boring stuff, and then all the fun stuff in the video showing you how to trade them, how to trade liquidity sweeps. Thank you very much, George Antonio. How you doing, bro? George Antonio in the house. I thought I'd have a bit of a change. I came on live today about 6 or 7 times just trying to sort the sound out, and now I'm just like I'm drained now. I'm just like, I can't be asked. Leroy, yes, it's fire. Good learning hub. Yeah, it's good, man. Every week we'll put a video on there. Every week you'll have a video on in the learning hub. So we're starting with technical analysis bootcamp, and they're free videos as well, so you could just join the Discord for free and then just tap into these videos. So order block basics, and then liquidity sweeps, and then next week I don't know what I'll be putting on, but I'll put on something. I just don't know. Rick Royale, oh my god, Rick Royale, it's been a while since we've seen you. Rick Royale, where you been hiding, bro? See, I had to change the whole game plan and I had to come on at nighttime because we had to catch Rick Royale and figure out what the hell are you doing, boy? Where you been hiding? New York, Danny. Yo, yes, you trade New York session, don't you? Mayuranta Jayalat Noriza Intelligent Wellness. How you doing, guys? There he is, Mr. Royal, back in the house. Rick Royal says, yeah, bro, just been busy and have been getting to sleep earlier. Yeah, it's good. It's good to have some nice sleep. It's good to have nice sleep when you're not worrying about money. And it's good to have nice sleep when you ain't in an open trade. I do know what I did a few times before. What I did, yeah, I used to enter a trade and then I used to just go sleep. And I used to try to have a power nap for about half an hour, 40 minutes. And then come back and check the screen only to see that my accounts had been blown. Fucking full porting. Gold VIP trader, you're blocked because we're not doing signals right now. Yeah. And we're definitely not doing your signals. Gold is just chopping around like shit. So what are you talking about, bro? Sell now, buy now. What are you talking about? Rick Royale says, good to see you, Leroy. Did you trade this morning? Yeah, I traded this morning. I traded. I'm past now. I'm up on my 25k take profit trader. I've got 1 day consistency left, which will be tomorrow. So I'll probably put in $1 trade or $2 trade or something like that. And then that's it. I'm funded. So on Monday, I'll get my funded account with take profit trader, and hoping I don't full port it because I need to get past the trailing drawdown. But I've just seen something absolutely beautiful with these Traderify accounts, and the rules kind of feel better and make more sense to me. So I think I'm going to get a couple of those Traderify accounts. I might just get one Traderify account and just copy trade it with my take profit trader account and then see how we get on. We got Farhan in the house. Nice, good stuff, bro. The best trade of today was, we need this price to go up and push up. We're trying to get Oakley out of the building right now. So bro, the best trade of today was this. So we had Asian session, yeah, and then price didn't push down to sweep Asian session lows or anything like that. Price just continued pushing up throughout pre-London session. Then we had the retracement, and this area here was an imbalance, and then price literally just pushed away from it. So there's two type of entries. You could have went in the higher time frame on the 15-minute, or you could have scaled in on the 2 to 3 minute time frames. 1 minute was very choppy, so I don't think you'd catch it on that, but on 2 minute time frame you'd catch an absolute banger in this area down here. Renee, do you think we're bullish or bearish? NQ, let's have a look. What are we looking at the moment? We're trying to get Oakley out of the game, so I'm trying to go for a bull run at the moment, but I don't know if it's just going to retrace and keep pushing down, and then you'll get your, if it pushes up, pushes down, breaking structure. Actually, do you know what, this is not a deep enough retracement. So 1 second, let me just double check. So from the swing high, let's say pushed up. So I don't know, I might just take it from there to there. See, it's gone nowhere near. It's gone nowhere near into a discounted area. Let's have a look for a buy. So really, technically, I wouldn't really be in a trade because it's chopping sideways. But because we're bullish, already bullish, as you can see, price has just been going up. There's more chances of this just pushing up here at least before coming right back down. So yeah, I'm not in the trade, but I'm just trying to fight against Oakley. I'm hoping my technical analysis is right, so we can just like keep pushing Oakley out of the game for today. But to be fair, I shouldn't be like bad to Oakley, but it's not being bad, it's just following market structure, because Oakley's actually got real money on right now. I've not got real money on right now. Leroy, I took long at 29845. Rick Royal at 9:51 a.m. New York time. Rick Royal, okay, good choice. Guys, anybody else was trading today? Did anybody else catch any good trades? Who was up and who was down? Who actually made some good money today? To be fair, if this trade was taken, a 1-to-1 would have already been hit. We're just waiting for this to go to about here, and then that would be a 1-to-2, and then yeah, then we can try and get Oakley out of the game. But it's chopping, man. I don't like to trade pre-Asian session and Asian session, but I like to trade pre-London session and early London session. Yesterday was the absolute banger. Who caught any trades yesterday? Was anyone trading yesterday? Leroy, Rick Royale. Okay, good choice. Guys, we got about 10 minutes and then I'm going to be out. I just need to get this algorithm sorted now because we've been on London sessions for such a long time. The algorithm picks my live up for the early birds. And now I'm trying to push it out for the later people. Or I must be shadow banned or something. I don't know. But we'll see. We'll keep pushing. We'll keep pushing the lives out. What I might do, I've got another TikTok account. What I might do, I might try go live on that account and see how the numbers differ. So like, if that's pushing out more, than this account, then there's something wrong. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Where's Oakley? Leroy, yes for me, Mr. Early Bird. Haha, my brain cannot get it when you are 3 times live at TT. Tell me about it. I just like to yeah, I can. That's why I already like trading like the London session. When I wake up, get in on the London session, trade the London session with a fresh mind, and then chill, go gym, do whatever I need to do, and then maybe come back. Come back on the charts. But then I only like going live once as well. Today I've had to go live a few times, which was annoying. Rickroll, that's me, but for New York. Yeah, man, tell me about it. Sonic Aura, Arsalan Ali, Pesh. Come on, guys. Do you know what I need to start doing tomorrow? I might start like pushing it out and just telling everyone, go on, share the live, and then the more people share the live, the more people start reaching out to more people. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. It's slowly creeping up. It's creeping up. Guys, any of you in the trade right now? Best of golf in the house. Sun Beats Beauty Spa. So what time will be the next live tomorrow? It'll be same time now. I'm gonna do the evenings for a bit. Let's do the evenings for a bit, and then everybody can trade during the day, doing their thing, and then in the evenings we can all get together, and then we can talk all things trading. We can go through our trades, our wins, our losses, our break evens. So yeah, the next time I'll be on live tomorrow is at 8 p.m. GMT, which is 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 8 p.m. GMT, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh, look at this shitty price action. Leroy, bro, in about 3 weeks I'm in London for 2 days. We have to see if we can meet. Yeah, I can come down. I can come and meet you. I'll come and meet you. We can go for a quick drink or something. Have a little catch up. My leg's pretty fucked up at the moment. My walking's so difficult. So what we'll have to do is if you like at a bar or somewhere, we can link up at a bar and just drive down and then meet you at a bar or something and have like a little catch up. That'd be nice. That'd be good actually. Oh yeah, you're gonna be in London. That bar's in Sheffield. That's like 3 hours away from London. So that's a bit further out. So what we can do is I'll just drive down to London or something, just go link you for a quick drink. We'll see if there's a few other people that join our lives that are in the London area, if they can like just join up for a quick drink. Arsalan Ali, are you trading? Are you trading right now? Yes, we can meet up. That sounds good. Arsalan Ali, yeah. What are you trading, bro? What are you trading right now? What instrument are you trading? I'm only here for another 5 minutes and then I'm going to shoot off, but then we'll see what this trade is doing or how this trade is playing out. Is it gonna respect us, or is it gonna just like come and tap us out? It's tapping us out. It's tapping us out. Where's Oakley? Oakley's just literally came in and left. To be fair, guys, this isn't actually a trade that I've actually put on. This is just indicator or some shit. Come on, let's get Oakley out of the game. Just keep pushing up. And let's get Oakley out. Oakley out of this game. I bet Oakley's in a real trade. I'm not in the real trade with real money at the moment. But I just marked this area out because I was like, there's something happening here, yeah? And I was like, I want price to just push up so we can just tap Oakley out of the game. Yeah? Oakley's probably still holding his trade, but he's left now, and I needed him to stay here because Oakley took a sell from this area here. Yeah, he's taken a sell from here, so I want price to break past that area so he gets stopped out, and I don't want to get stopped out. Leroy Oakley out, the Mr. Royale in. Yes, man, that's what happened. XAUSD not profit today. No, very choppy, horrible price action, bro. I'd avoid that shit, man. Fuzzy Duck 1121. I got cooked on my qualified account. I had 104k, blew that account at 97k, bro. Is that your Alpha Futures account? You messaged me today and you told me how well you were actually doing, Fuzzy Duck. It's okay. Just don't beat yourself up about it, but just be careful and be mindful of how many accounts you're buying and how much money you're spending on them, because it can slowly start spiraling out of control because of the dopamine hits. Because even if we're winning, because it's stimulated funds and the funds are not your funds until they come into your pocket, as soon as we see a win, we get excited. That's what you need to be mindful about. So like, don't keep putting too much money. Like, don't keep blowing accounts, buying new ones, blowing accounts, buying new ones, because then that gives you traits of a bad trader, and that's not what you want to become. You want to become the best trader. Fuzzy Duck still have 50k account. It's up $500. Good. Keep that account up. Yeah, we got a couple of people. We got Leroy Keogh came on earlier and he told us that he's taken his payout. He took another payout and he took another payout today. We got Bling. She came on. She said that she's taken a $9,700 payout today. And the last payout she took out was $7,600. So that's absolutely fucking crazy, bro. Crazy. Come on, man. I need price to keep pushing. Look, I'm only here for a couple more minutes. I need price to just push up. Tap this area out. Break past this area. Then we can get Oakley out of the game, bro. Look how close that was, guys. Look, so if I had my stop loss here, so this gray area was a stop loss, yeah? This red area is take profit. Right now, I'd be in, I'd bring it into break even, so you wouldn't lose no money. Or I'd bring it into like a 1-to-1, so you don't lose no money at all. Yeah, but look how close. Some people would have seen this and shit themselves and closed the trade fucking early. This gray area here was the stop loss. Look how close it came into nearly stopping me out this wick. And then one candle it took. Just one candle from that area and it pushed right back up again. So if you were scalping, you would have made some alright money here. But if you're day trading, obviously it's different, isn't it? But yeah, I'd be in break even now. But I want price to just still fly up because we want to stop Oakley out, because Oakley's left for the day. Leroy, good job. Good traders in the fam, bro. Big payouts. Yeah, brilliant, man. I was absolutely chuffed with the guys when they told me they took out some massive payouts. It was only a few weeks ago. Bling used to message in the chats and stuff, and she used to say that how much she's just learning. She was learning the orb strategy and stuff like that at that point. But I didn't know of her to take any payouts at that time. And now all of a sudden she's telling me she's taken 2 payouts. And the 2 payouts are big payouts, man. $7,000 and then a over $9,000. That's crazy. That's like that's almost $10,000. That's like some people's 5 months salary, like $2,000 a month. Leroy, good to see we have some good traders who also help the beginners. Crazy. Yeah, man, that's the best thing about it. That's the best thing about it. Like, everyone just gets involved. Like, if someone don't know something, someone else will jump in and just answer for it, which is absolutely brilliant. Just close past this area here, and then we can get Oakley out of the game. Oakley's probably closed his trade right now because he's probably shitting his pants thinking that price is going up to him to stop him out. Let's have a look how much money we could have made on a scalp. So just say from there to there to there. That's a nice, oh my god, that was a nice 1 to 2 right here. Risking $400. How about that? So risking $445 to make, say, 865.75 here. That would have been a scalp, a good scalp. That would have been like a nice 1 to 2. But I don't risk like that. If I want my trades, I want my trades to be up like that. So if I was risking that much, I want my price to be going like that. And plus, I wouldn't be risking $400 on this area down here. I'd be risking a lot less than that. I'd be risking this much. Yeah, that's how much I'd be risking. Maximum of about between $270 and $300 I would have been risking there. That still would have made you $500. A 1 to 2. Nice 1 to 2 that was. Simple and easy. Come on, price, just shoot up so we can get Oakley out of the game, bro. Oakley is out for sure. Yeah, Oakley's definitely out. If he's not stopped out because his stop loss was probably very high, but he definitely would have closed it by now because I think he would have shit himself. He'd have pooped his pants. Little shit, man. I smell shit. Can't wait to chat to Oakley tomorrow. See what it was. I'm gonna leave the chart like this today. So then when Oakley comes in tomorrow, we can see. But the last thing, yeah, I want now is for price to just go flying down, because then that means Oakley's won. But that's not hating. I would like Oakley to win some money right now. But I think my analysis is just slightly better, maybe. I want it to be anyway. It's never always right, but I want it to be. Yeah, I want to see a big push for Mr. Royale. Tell me about it. Leroy saying, yeah, that will make his day if you show him this trade. I know. If his trade actually plays out and price just pushed all the way down, that would make his day. That would really make his day. He would be happy, man. He'd be like, oh my god, I absolutely killed it. Yeah, now it's good. Now it's good. Now a fair few people are pushing up and joining. But what I might do from tomorrow, I'm gonna start telling everyone, just like share the live, share the live, share the live. Just keep hitting share on the live, and then. But I'm not sure how. How the fuck do you share the live? Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, so you can just do repost. So is sharing the live just reposting it? Trader Benz, I have 99%. Trader Benz, you ain't got 99 nothing. You're gonna have one more problem that you'll make 100%. You got 99 nothing. Rick Royale, Trader Ben Simons, where do I sign up? Oh my god, he's actually replied to you, Rick Royale. He said, Rick Royale, link in the bio. He said link in the bio. Oh my god. Where's all the traders at? Why are you all quiet, guys? We don't need you to be quiet. We need you to be just chatting. Excited. Okay, it's pushing. Right, come on. We need this last push. Come on, markets. The markets are actually done. They're dead now. Rick Royale, not Royale, Oakley's definitely got to be out. See, this is the time now my prop firm shuts me off. My prop firm's like, no more trades, and doesn't let me trade anymore after 9 p.m. Shit, man, that stop loss was tight. That was tight, man. Rick Royal said, I didn't know those dudes replied back. Yeah, man, anything for a signal. They'll do anything for a signal, bro. All right, looks like my analysis is kind of worked out, played out. I'm quite chuffed with that. Very close to being stopped out there, but I'm chuffed with that. That's good. That's good going. That's how you analyze the market, guys. Because right now, we wouldn't even be losing right now. Even if the trade, even if price just dumped from here now, we wouldn't lose any money because we'd be in break even. Our profits would be protected. That's what this is about, guys. This is about keeping your profits protected. Let's have a look, yeah, what this trade is saying. So there to there, say 250. I can't believe that tight. That's so tight to hitting stop loss and it reversed. That's what, $650. Obviously, if you risk more, you're gonna get a better return. But we need it to push. I'd want it to push just past there. That'd be nice. But right now, I wouldn't lose any money, not even a single penny. Brent Harris on sessions over. Yes, man. Four prop firms. We are done, bro. We are done. I'm just looking at this now to see which way price was going. If I did have the trade and kept it holding, like, would I want it for further push or would I take it out down here? You know what traders are like, Brent Harris? You letting Asian take over or closing? I don't know, you know, I don't know. I don't really trade that time, so I'm not sure. But I like to see what happens in the Asian session for when I take an entry in the London session. I like to see exactly what's been happening. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Though we're getting some nice people joining up, which is absolutely brilliant. We've got 4,050 followers right now. We need 950 more followers to hit the 5,000 mark. Once I hit the 5,000 mark, Freddie, yes, thank you very much for following. Once I hit that 5,000 mark, then I'm gonna do some giveaways. I'm gonna call it for today. Going to my wife. Speak to you later. See you later, Leroy. See you later, man. Brent Harris, do you trade PM a lot? No, today's just the first time I came on the PM. I can see the price was chopping around, being very, very shitty. But today's the first time I came on this late. Because I'm gonna start doing sessions late at night now, like this time. So I'm gonna trade London session by myself. I'm gonna trade the New York session if I ever trade it. I don't really tend to trade it that much, but sometimes I just like to have me with the markets with my personal time, and then I'll come on to now time, like 8 p.m. GMT, which is 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll come on at this time so we can just talk all things trading. PM can be kind of clean normally, just takes out resting liquidity from the day. Yeah, man. Yeah. So Brent Harris, I'm gonna shoot off, man, but you can join us again tomorrow. We'll be back on again tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. GMT, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're gonna run this up. We're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep doing it exactly how we did the London session for ages, and then hopefully the algorithm could stop. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, Brent Harris, for following. Thank you. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Good luck trading tomorrow, London session and New York session, whoever's going to be trading London and New York. And then we'll catch up in the evening and we'll all check out our trades. We'll see if we won, who lost, who broke even, and how the prop firms were treating you. We'll talk about it all tomorrow, guys. See you later. Boom, 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 boom.